everybody, it's your girl Didi, and Didi's word is finally monetized. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for the love, thank you so much for viewing, thank you so much. If not for you guys, I won't be here. Thank you so much for pushing me this far. So if you're just joining us today, don't forget to hit the subscription button, don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share our channel. So today's tutorial, guys, I'll be teaching you all how to apply for monetization. The best step, the simple step by step on how to apply for monetization. If you're past the verification criteria, you will receive an email from YouTube that you've been monetized. So I'll be teaching you now the steps on how to apply for monetization. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first person to be notified once I drop a new videos, because trust me, I drop smart videos. So once you receive the congratulations email, you go to your Chrome and you click on monetization. I'm sorry, I'm using Chrome instead of YouTube Studio because I'm using my phone, so the best way is to use Chrome. So once you open your YouTube Studio, don't forget to click the monetization here, like a dollar sign. Then you see the 4 criteria you have to meet to be able to be monetized: the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, 2-step verification, and also 0 active community guidance strikes. Once all of them are checked, you click on apply now, allow it to load, click on next. So here we have 3 verification type: the video verification, the valid ID card, and the build channel. The build channel is 2 months, so you cannot wait for that 2 months. So you have the one that is 1 day set up within 24 hours. So you have to choose between video verification and valid ID. If you want to use ID, that means you have to have like your national ID card, your any, like if you're in Nigeria, your voters card and other ID cards. But if you don't have any of these ID cards, like it's not like reachable at the moment, you use the video verification, and that's what I'm going to use. Click on next. I said you get an email to start verification on your phone. You say click on get email. So say we sent you an email. Check your email for a verification link. Open the link on your phone using your phone's camera to submit your verification. It may take a few minutes for your status on YouTube to be updated. Then you go to your Gmail, the same Gmail you used to open your YouTube account. You will receive a verification video link that you're going to click on start the verification. Then if you're using Android, our device you use Chrome, and if you're using iPhone, our device you use Safari. So you click open on Safari. Now I say you use your phone camera to record a brief video. Say allow Google to use video to help develop. Click on allow and agree. Hold your phone at eye level. Make sure nothing covers your eye, nose, or mouth. Record in a way light spot that isn't too bright or too dim. Make sure you're the only person in the background. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Click next. Allow. So once you're done, you see uploading video. Thanks for submitting your video verification. So after some minutes, you'll be getting this message: congrats, you can start using advanced YouTube features. Your video verification is approved and you can now use advanced YouTube features. So we go to Chrome, go back, sign into our YouTube Studio. Click on monetization. Then I click on apply now. So as you can see, there are 3 steps. First one is review partner program terms. Second one is sign up for Google Adsense, and the third one is get reviewed. So we're going to start with the step 1. So we click on start. So we read this. So you click on acceptance. I accept all the YouTube partner program, and click on acceptance. We'll give it a minute to load. As you can see, it's loading. So once it's done loading, as you can see, you will see done. You're going to sign here. Step 1 done. Then step 2, we are signing up for Google Adsense. So click on start. No, I don't have an existing account. Click on continue. Allow it to load. Click, yeah. No. So click your country. Nigeria. You click yes. I read and accept the agreement and click on, and you click on create account. Give it some time because of network. Customer information. Be filling this form. Customer information. Your address, your city, postal, your phone number. So once you're done, click on submit. Click on submit. We will redirect you to YouTube where you continue your setup and start using Adsense. Click on redirect. So give it some time. So it's in progress, so give it some time to. So after a few hours, step 2 is marked done. So we're waiting for step 3, which is in progress. Guys, once you're done with the monetization application, and after the review is accepted, you will get an email from YouTube. Congratulations, your YouTube channel This is what has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and it's now able to monetize on YouTube. So now we go to our YouTube studio, go to monetization, we click on turn on ads. So make sure everything is clicked. They say during video, yes, during video. Click on next. It said, which video do you want to monetize? We all want to monetize all my existing videos, so I click monetize all. So as you can see, all my videos now have been monetized. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell. So this tutorial comprises of how to apply for monetization, how to apply for AdSense, and also how to enable your monetization. So if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.